Now I will explain about the tables. So first I will create this as a table. So I will go to insert and then tables. Here I will click in. I will give the name, table name, student. Okay, this name is already given. So I will write details. Yeah. Now let's say if I want to calculate the salary, then I will use sum. If I select all the rows, then it will show the table name as well. Yeah, along with column name. Table name is detail, column name is salary. So it's 21,000. If I add something like deep learning, if I add this value, then it will automatically count in this. Yeah, so it's 28,000 now. But here also, if I add the bonus, then it's next to the table, so it will automatically add in the table. Yeah, so if I do salary, bonus would be 10%. Then once I click enter, it will count for the whole table. Yeah, but if here, if I calculate bonus, so it won't count for the whole table. I have to drag it down, then it will count. But here I just have to do in the first row, and eventually it will do for the all the row